identifies self by name, identifies the resident by name. Washes hands, explains procedure to the resident, speaking clearly, slowly, and directly. Maintains face-to-face contact whenever possible. Provides privacy. Raises the head of the bed and locks the wheels. Puts on gloves. Places towel across the chest. Ask the resident to remove the dentures. If unable to, grasp the upper denture in the center and gently pull down and out, and grasp the lower dentures in the center and pull up and out. Put the dentures in an emesis basin and carry them to the sink. Place a paper towel or washcloth in the sink and fill the sink halfway with cold water to prevent dentures from breaking if dropped. Do not place dentures in the sink. Holding the dentures securely, brush the dentures with toothpaste and toothbrush. Rinse the dentures under running water. Place them in the labeled denture cup filled with cold water. Clean the resident's mouth by asking the resident to rinse their mouth with mouthwash and spit into the emesis basin. Pat the lips dry and apply moisturizer if needed. If the resident wants dentures back in their mouth, rinse them well and replace them. If dentures are going to be stored, add cleaning solution to the denture cup, if used by the resident, and store appropriately. Make sure cup is labeled with resident's name and room number. Clean and return your supplies to proper areas. Remove the paper towel or washcloth from the sink. Drain the sink and place a soiled linen in proper container. Removes and discards gloves. Washes hands. Lower the head of the bed. Place call light within reach. Document procedure.